So this weekend, it's not all about Unidan, it's not all about Mercedes, it's more about getting together and learning about our trucks. We started out, I think 7 years ago was our first weekend here. I think we had maybe 3 or 4 trucks, and it was those people that just bought the truck, they had no idea how to drive it. Oh Dan, how do I learn how to drive this? So I'll come out and we'll spend a bit of a weekend with you and show you what we do. It's definitely a good place to learn. Like there's a lot of serious tracks here. Don't go in out of your depth. Then we're going to do a gear comparison. So quite often we get asked, people ask us, what's the difference between working group, crawler group, etc., etc. Just about everybody that calls up and asks us, I want to buy a crawler group. You'll see tomorrow. For me, it's a waste of time. Nuts here are 450 Newton meters. So in layman's terms, 45 kilos in a meter. So if you've got a meter long bar, you only have to put 45 kilos down onto it, which all of us have got 45 kilos behind us, guaranteed. So you don't have to jump up and down on it to do it. You'll probably go up to 1,000 Newton meters if you do that, which is just going to damage stuff. So yeah, it shouldn't be tight. Hopefully the guys in the workshop haven't done the ugger-duggers on it and made it too tight for me.
Right rear.
Generally in the opposite corner. I can do that.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, so have a quick check your brake pads. Still got thickness here. We don't have any massive lips. Obviously we want to make sure our brakes are in good condition.
You want a hand there, mate? I'm sure we can give him a hand.
So there's a couple of other options to do that. A lot of people use a long handle, like post hole shovel, where you can have the wheel the tyre onto the shovel and you stick him in and sort of slide it in and then use the shovel to put it up. Yeah, I'm just going to give the Big Little Kid Award to Frank and Kathy. And we've got a very special prize for two particular vehicles. I'm going to bring John Gill up here and Mr. Phil Beveridge, and we've got a very special prize for you, so come on up. Yep, hand them over. So next time you hear yourself...